Hello students, we have a question here. Equal masses of helium, oxygen and SO2 are taken in a closed container. एक closed container में helium, oxygen और SO2 के equal mass लिए हैं. It means इनका जो mass है this equal है. The ratio of the partial pressure of gases helium, oxygen, SO2 would be. तो हमें बताना है कि helium, oxygen और SO2 का partial pressure का ratio क्या होगा. Option A 1:2:8. Option B 8:16:1. Option C 16:8:1. Option D 1:4:16. And option E 16:2:1. Now let the mass of helium, oxygen and SO2 be x ग्राम. मान लीजिए इनके सबके मास से each have x gram. Let the masses of helium, oxygen, SO2 be x gram. Now number of moles of helium. This is given mass upon molar mass. Given mass is x and molar mass of helium is 4. Now number of moles of oxygen. This is x upon 32. And number of moles of sulfur dioxide. This is x upon 64. Sulfur dioxide 32 plus 32 plus 32. This is 64. Now ratio of moles इसका जो रेशियो निकालेंगे दिस इज moles of helium, ratio moles of oxygen, ratio moles of SO2. This is x upon 4, ratio x upon 32, ratio x upon 64. Now this is equals to 16:2:1. This is the ratio of moles. Now we know that in identical conditions, pressure number of moles is directly proportional to pressure. Number of moles किसके proportional है? Directly proportional to pressure. Now here we can say that जो moles का रेशियो होगा वही क्या हो जाएगा, पार्शियल प्रेशर का रेशियो हो जाएगा, because both are directly proportional. So we can say that ratio of partial pressure, it means PHE ratio PO2 ratio PSO2. This is equals to 16:2:1. जो रेशियो मोल का होगा वही रेशियो किसका हो जाएगा, पार्शियल प्रेशर का, बिकॉज n is directly proportional to pressure at identical conditions. यहाँ पर क्लोज कंटेनर है, that is why we can say that option 16:2:1, option E is the correct answer. Here we can write that option E. This is option E is the correct answer. Thank you.